Now we will add and edit a rectangle in the schematic. We'll use the active bar to place a rectangle. Left-click to place the top left corner of the rectangle. Press the Tab key to open the Properties panel and activate the Transparent option. Move the mouse diagonally to cover the components in wire. Left-click to place the lower right corner of the rectangle. Using the same method as above, place another rectangle for the right part of the schematic. Right-click to escape the command. Select both rectangles. Then open the Properties panel. We can change the color of the rectangles by selecting the fill color. In this case, we will change the color to light blue, but you can pick any color you like. Thanks for watching as we explored how to add and edit rectangles within a schematic.